Are you frustrated because Microsoft Edge keeps blocking your file downloads? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to stop Edge from blocking downloads so you can get your files without hassle. Best solution for this is to disable Smart Screen Filter. For this, click on three dots at the top in Edge browser. Next, click on Settings. In the left pane, tap on Privacy Search and Services. Next, click on Security. You'll see an option for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Just toggle this to off. Now try downloading file and videos in Microsoft Edge browser. If that does not work, then try unblock pop-ups and redirects in Edge browser. For this, click on three dots at top. Next, click on Settings. Next, click on Cookies and Site Permissions. At the top, click on Pop-up Permissions. Then toggle Blocked Recommended Permissions. After that, re-download the documents and video and it should work. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.